After the blizzard, some side streets are still snowed in, trapping people at home.
We feel your frustration. The National Guard is in Fall River tonight, and that's where the night team's John Perrick is right now. What's it like, John?
The conditions here are still bad, especially on this Fall River Hill. You can see these cars, along with the homes, are indeed snowed in. You're looking live at Claflin Street. We've been going town to town, street to street tonight, and this is among the worst of the bunch. And we started here in North Providence on Olney Street, where the mayor's been leading a crew from Vermont to clear the snow.
We've never gotten help like this before, never.
Sure, the plow finally came through here in North Providence, but for some neighbors, they feel it was 3 days late.
I don't go anywhere. I stuck at my house for like 2-3 days already.
There's frustration on all sides, but you know, they came out, they did it, and you know, we'll get through it.
This is Lawrence Street in Pawtucket. Half of it is still snowed in. All of these homes have been waiting for a plow like this one to come.
We were cheering out of the window. We're like, yes, finally. It's so exciting to finally see one here.
Now to Mayfield Street in Pawtucket, where neighbors are happy to see the blacktop. This morning, the street was covered in snow. A plow just went through. In Central Falls, the streets are slushy. The conditions aren't great to drive in. We've seen a few plows, but still, it's not easy out here.
This is part of my taxes, the cleanup. And as you can see, my curb is right here. This is my curb.
Here in Providence on Blaine Street, a plow just came through, but they shoved a lot of the snow onto this sidewalk. Yes, there's a sidewalk underneath here, and it's their responsibility to clear it. This snow is now your responsibility.
Yes, and in addition, we have a 12-year-old that has to try to walk to a bus stop when they open the schools back up, and I'm not sure how we're going to get her to get to a bus stop safely.
And these are unprecedented times here throughout our area. Of course, all of Claflin Street here in Fall River snowed in. The National Guard is now here in Fall River to help. Live in Fall River, John Perrick, NBC 10 News, Night Team.